Okay, let's do this one. Let's do it again. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my podcast. I want to podcast something. I want to say something. I want to speak about something that I saw on the news. Breaking news. Last week, I was on the internet reading some news, perusing, studying, researching about things happening in Zimbabwe. Things happening in Zimbabwe locally and things uh, happening outside Zimbabwe, but with an effect that can be felt right in Zimbabwe. So I was on the internet. Then I came across or I stumbled upon this other piece of news, piece of information coming from this organization by the name IMF, International Monetary Fund. International Monetary Fund, IMF in abbreviation. It's I heard that from that news, from that piece of information, that it gave an order, an instruction to RBZ, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe, to say we want your ZiG currency to be the only currency in Zimbabwe, to be the sole currency in the economy of Zimbabwe in the next time possible. This is what they want. This is what they are expecting. So I was just reading, I was just perusing, browsing through the news, and I was so surprised. I was so shocked. I was so okay. So this is what the IMF is saying to Zimbabwe, to the Ministry of Finance, in collaboration with the RBZ, Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe. So for your own information, just for you to know, if, in case you don't know what is IMF, let me just give a simple background explanation. What is IMF? IMF, like I said, is International Monetary Fund, a global financial institution, a global financial organization in charge of overseeing and monitoring, evaluating all the countries of the world, what they are doing in terms of their finances. And by extension, they can also give loans, give money to the low-income countries around Africa, around Latin America, even Asia, these poor countries, these poor or poorest countries. So the IMF is also in charge of giving loans to assist and help these other poorest countries in Asia, Africa, Latin America. So this is what they do as the IMF. So I hope now you have information about the IMF, International Monetary Fund, what they do as an organization, as a financial institution based in America, Washington, D.C. So they gave an order through the top director there at IMF that I know we want Zimbabwe. We've been checking Zimbabwe, monitoring Zimbabwe for a long time now. We've been assessing everything and investigating everything happening in Zimbabwe in terms of money, finances, economy, market system, the currency, exchange rates, and everything in the earlier. So we're at a point now whereby we want to see the ZiG currency, your newly established, newly developed currency, Zimbabwe gold currency, to be the sole currency, operational and functional in the economy of Zimbabwe or within the economic system of Zimbabwe. We want it to be the only operational currency used or transactable within the economy of Zimbabwe, within the market system of Zimbabwe, buying and selling within Zimbabwe. All the transactions, all the undertakings have to be done solely using the ZiG currency, Zimbabwe gold currency, and not South African rand, not Botswana pula, not United States dollars, not a British pound, not Australian dollar, not Namibian dollar, not a Canadian dollar or New Zealand dollar. No, you must use your own currency. You must use your own Zimbabwe gold currency in terms of your transaction, in terms of your undertakings within your economy, domestic economy or national economy. So this is the order, this is the instruction that they gave to RBZ. Of course, by extension to the Minister of Finance in Zimbabwe, that you have to ramp up your preparations so that you transition to see this thing happening of you using the Z currency as your only or sole currency in the economy, in the market system. So this is what I found on the news, and I was very surprised, like, hey, okay, with everything happening in Zimbabwe, is this possible? Is this practically possible to see people transacting, buying and selling using only the ZiG and stepping away from US dollar, stepping away from Namibian dollar or Botswana Pula or South African Rand, Australian or Canadian dollar, stepping away from all these other currencies, like what all Zimbabweans were normally used to, all these past years, all these years, for a long time. This is what they were used to, used to do. And now the IMF is saying, no, you must use your own currency. You must use your own Zimbabwe gold currency. So I was asking myself in my mind, in my brain, as a researcher that I am, as a great analyst that I am, as a great commentator that I am, that, okay, so is this possible? From the eyes, from the lens of IMF, is this possible? Maybe yes, maybe no. Can this be achievable? Can this be manageable? Is it achievable? Is it manageable? Is it workable? Maybe yes, maybe no. Okay. What do you think? What do you say about Zimbabwe transitioning or moving to a point where they use only the Z currency, Zimbabwe gold currency within Zimbabwe, the borders of Zimbabwe, in terms of all the transactions, processing all the payments, processing all the transactions, undertaking all the dealings in Zimbabwe, only using Zim gold currency. Is it possible? Is it manageable? Is it workable? Is it achievable? Is what the IMF is saying, because of what the IMF, International Monetary Fund, is saying. This body, this organization, based in America, Washington D.C. What do you say? Is your take? What is your comment? What is your submission? What is your thought? What are your thoughts? Sorry, what are your thoughts? Write or type in the comment section. I'll come and check them out. Let's discuss further. Let's talk about it further. Let's unravel, uncover, unfold it further on in the comments box, comment section. I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.